Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nicole Elise here. So today I am doing a little get ready with me. Today I am just in Chicago. Today's a work day for me, so I'm filming. My boyfriend is off to work today. We're just getting life done and like making all money, you know what I'm saying? I want to show you guys some makeup looks and just like my skincare prep, and also just like, you know, a little bit of this zhuzhing that I'm doing over here with my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my Instagram down below where I post every single day and share all sorts of stuff about my life. That sounded so infomercial-y for my channel. I'm so thirsty. All the products are gonna be listed down for you guys as usual, and if you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below. Let's go ahead and get started. I am coming to you from Chicago. My face is so dry right now. By the way, if you see a little munchkin running around, that's Boy. I'm using my Rejuvenating Serum. This is like my favorite serum right now. It's so good. I've used it so many times in so many different videos, but it is the best. And it's by Joanna Vargas, and her skincare is incredible from what I've tried so far, and I want to try more of her products. I'm gonna take this guy. This is the O. Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is one of my favorites, and the dog is whining. He's so obsessed with his dad that he doesn't know what to do with himself when he's gone, but he just needs like some sort of human attention, so he's staying in here with me, otherwise we'd hear him cry. I'm gonna go ahead and put some brow gel in because I like to apply brow gel before I actually fill them in. So I take this one from Benefit. It's my favorite one. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of the moisturizer. So I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier Tinted Skin Perfector and apply this all over my face. I'm gonna use, oh, did I not bring a foundation brush? Boy. Come here, come stay here. And then I'm gonna take a little brush. I use this, by the way, in the shade Tan. The dog is just so obsessed with his dad. He wants his dad to come home. He's like, Dad, where are you? I had this pimple on my forehead that's like finally starting to fade. I'm just worried it's gonna scar, so I'm trying not to like touch it because I was messing with it earlier. I forgot my foundation brush, so I'm using this one, which is actually like one that I keep in my purse. It's the Charlotte Tilbury brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Magic Away concealer. This is in the number 8. This is like my perfect shade basically, and I just will take a lighter concealer in a minute and do a little bit of light highlighting, but for now I just want to conceal because my skin's been so weird. And I think it's just because I'm in like a new climate. By the way, this apartment that my boyfriend lives in while he's out here is very like navy. There's lots of dark colors on the walls, so that's why we have all this like navy. Very like masculine, this apartment, but it is beautiful. And then I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Warm Beige, and I'll just apply a little bit of this. This is very, very, very pigmented, so you don't need a lot of it. Put it around here, nose, center of the forehead, and my chin. Taking my Morphe E3, I can't remember. By the way, I finally uploaded my top makeup brushes video that many of you were asking for, and I'm so happy I finally did it because it's just so much easier to refer to that rather than like always telling you guys each and every single brush, because I don't really change up my brushes at all. And I kind of like those types of videos where it's like very like to the point. Let me know if you guys want to see like top favorite concealers or like top favorite skincare products. Let me know in the comments below. Boy, everything's gonna be okay, dude. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. So I'm gonna use the dark brown Brow Wiz. So next I'm gonna use the Tan Contour by KKW Beauty. I love that this is now available at Ulta. I mean, I don't even think you can return on her website, but with Ulta you can. And get the right shade. So I love this shade. It's really dark, but it blends out. It's super creamy. So there's that. See how like warmed up my skin is? By the way, you guys, I want to show you. This is so exciting because whoa. But I have been talking about how the wrinkles on my forehead have just been driving me crazy. Recently, I went over to Dr. Holden's office and she basically like sprinkled throughout. I guess you can do it to like actually prevent it from getting worse. Personally for me, because I am such an expressive person, I knew like my wrinkles were just getting so out of control. I just hated the way my forehead was getting to be and I just didn't like it, and I don't want to look crazy because some girls with Botox, like their eyebrows start to like go down and they look angry all the time, or like, you know, if I'm yelling at somebody, like I want to at least still show expression. I don't want my face to be completely frozen. My forehead is like literally so many lines, but now like when I raise it, watch, I can't even like, I could still move my eyebrows, you know, but it's not like scrunching so hard. I have these two major lines up here that are really getting deep, and so I think she really focused there and then just sprinkled a little bit so I can still move, but like I can't scrunch. I'm happy I did it. No one would be able to really tell anyway, but it looks really good. Like you could still see a little bit, but it's not like crazy. So I'm really happy. But anyway, back to my makeup. Oh, gross. So I'm gonna take my little Editing Ghost palette. It's like my favorite. You guys have seen this 1,000 times, but I just take the bronzer and then I just kind of go on top of where I did the contour just to sort of set everything. I'm taking a little bit more of that bronzer and I'm gonna do the sides of my nose. I always do this and I swear it makes like the biggest difference. Just like throwing bronzer and blush into the crease just does wonders. Anyway, I'm gonna take my favorite blush of all time right now. It's the Patrick Ta Seductive. And then I'm going to just apply this to the apples. I've been super into the Bar of Gold palette by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna take these shades right here. Obviously I like this one the most because it's gold. And then I need to take my little tiny brush, which you can find in the video down below. This is the Glossier Pro Tip. I honestly started to F it up. Right now mine looks like this. Do you see? So it takes me a little longer to do my eyeliner because I don't want those little pieces to like get into my zone. I'm taking my Lash Slick. This is my favorite mascara to use as like my first mascara. I'm taking the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume. This is a good one as well. And then I'm gonna take this powder. This one's like basically done. I'm probably just gonna leave this by the time this trip is over because I don't need to bring it back. Okay, I'm gonna take some of these and then I'm gonna do my nose. I like to go over the nose a couple times if you haven't noticed. Boom, boom, boom. I want you in my room. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. I'm so excited to use this. It's my favorite. I could literally do this all day. It's so refreshing and it smells like a light Watermelon Jolly Rancher, and like look at my face. There's no splotchiness, there's no like watermarks. It's literally set my face and I don't look crazy. All right, so I'm gonna take KKW Beauty in the Lip Liner Nude 2. You can also get this in Ulta or get it in store. It's just a really deep shade. So this is a really great shade for those of you who are looking for something that's gonna overline. If you have a little bit more pigmented lips like I do, I need something like this, a nice brown nude. So I'm gonna take number 2. And I go in with the Chestnut Longwear Lip Liner by Laura Mercier. And that's so cute. I love this combo. And then I take my finger just to kind of blend all the shades. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my hair now that my makeup's done. So yesterday I curled my hair with the Sultra curling wand. I'll put the exact one that I use down below. And it's like a super lightweight curling iron, so if you're traveling, it's really easy, and it's just a wand. So this is like the second day of what it looks like, and I think it looks even better than it did yesterday. But I am gonna apply a little bit of the Ritual Hair Oil by Playa because my hair, the ends they're so dry. I'm just gonna take a little bit and rub it in between my hands and just hydrate the ends because my hair just gets, in the morning, I swear, it's like right when I wake up and after I take my shower, my hair is just so dry, and I don't know why, but it just is. Okay. And then my second favorite thing that I love to use is this, and I just discovered this. I got this in my my Revolve Beauty box, and it's the Oribe Wave and Shine Spray. It's like a hair oil plus like a little bit of like a wave texture spray in one little can. And I love this. I want to get it in the big version. I'm gonna take it, shake it up, pick up my hair, and just add a little bit of this throughout. And it's so like, see how it just adds a little bit of texture, but it's not like sticky. It adds even more shine too. I don't know if you guys can see the shine, but it is shining over here. And so I just put a little bit and I just work it through my hair. Love texturizing sprays, but I feel like a lot of the time they tend to dry my hair out or make my hair look matte. It literally feels like a hair oil in my hair. Super lightweight, you know? Oils are usually really heavy, or can be. That's why I like products like this that are a little bit more lightweight, but this is amazing. So yeah, that is it. Ooh, this looks so cute. I'm so into this hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and get going. I have a lot of stuff I need to get done before the sun goes down at like 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little get ready with me. Let me know if you liked videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.